I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to Coinbase from your bank account. First, open the Coinbase app and tap on the Add a Payment Method option. You'll then choose Bank Account and follow the prompts to securely link your financial institution. This usually involves logging into your bank through a secure portal. Once linked, you might need to verify your account with small deposits or instant verification to ensure everything is set up correctly for secure transactions. Now that your bank account is linked, you're ready to add funds. From the Coinbase home screen, look for the Add Cash or Buy option. Select this and then choose your newly linked bank account as the source for your funds. Enter the specific amount of money you want to deposit. Remember to check for any minimum deposit requirements. Always take a moment to review all transaction details, including any associated fees, before you finalize and confirm your deposit. It's important to understand deposit limits and processing times. Coinbase sets daily and weekly deposit limits, which can vary depending on how thoroughly your account is verified. Generally, bank transfers take about 3 to 5 business days to fully process and clear. While your funds are often available for trading almost immediately, be aware that there might be a short hold before you can withdraw those funds to your bank account. Plan accordingly for these timeframes. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that your bank account details precisely match the information on your Coinbase profile. Mismatches are a common reason for transfer delays or failures. If your deposit is significantly delayed beyond 5 business days, don't hesitate to reach out directly to Coinbase support for assistance. They can investigate specific transaction problems. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.